guys, hope you are doing great. So welcome back to my channel. So there is one question which I get a lot, and it's about body hair removal. So during the entire pandemic and the lockdown phase, I realized that we all have been trying a lot of new things, be it food, be it reading, or be it skincare. So I thought when it comes to body hair removal, why we are always stuck to the same old boring methods. So this lockdown I gave a new body hair removal product a shot, and it has become my go-to. And I'll not lie, I was a little skeptical in the beginning, but now that I have been using it for good more than a month now, I think it's a perfect hair removal device. I'm talking about Braun Epilator. So I have right now in my hand Braun Silk Epil 9. I prefer epilating over waxing or going to salon or shaving, because shaving gives you cuts, it gives you bumpy skin, and with waxing it is very messy if you do it at your home. I think this is a perfect solution if you are like me and you like to do everything at your own. So Braun epilators are designed in Germany, and the epilator plucks out the hair from root, and it gives you very smooth skin for up to 4 weeks, which I think is brilliant, because tackling with body hair every now and then is really inconvenient. So now one of the most frequently asked question which I received on my Instagram when I showed that I use Braun epilator is, does it hurt? So I'll be honest, it does a bit when you use it for the first time, but I will highly recommend you guys to use it on wet skin. Wet your skin ever so slightly with the help of warm water. It will soothe your skin and it will minimize the discomfort. First time when you use, you might feel a little discomfort, but the pain reduces with frequent use. And the second best tip to avoid discomfort is to exfoliate your body a day before epilating. And the next day while you are in the shower, use slightly warm water and epilate your body with this, because this is 100% waterproof. So this is on and off button. Once you switch it on, here is the light, which is what they call the smart light, and it is really helpful when you are epilating. You can actually see whether you still have hair left on your body or not. And another good part of the SENOSMART is it turns red if you are applying too much pressure, which is amazing for people who are using it for the first time. This is chargeable, it doesn't need battery, so which is another plus in my eyes. And all you have to do is switch it on and you can start epilating your body. You have to put it at 90-degree angle and epilate against the hair growth. So if you are epilating this way, you have to epilate it like this. I have a little bit of warm water with me, so I'm going to show it to you. Now I'm going to switch it on. Very easy. And you can see the light. See, it was very quick and very convenient. I have a smoother looking arm here. So the pivoting head on this epilator is first in the world, and which makes sure that no hair is left behind, and you can reach to every nook and corner, every curve of your body very conveniently. So once I'm done epilating, I really like to moisturize my skin, because then it helps with keeping my skin softer, smoother, and it also soothes the skin. So this is the outer packaging of Braun Silk Epil 9. As you can see on the box, it also contains a trimmer and shaver head. It also has a bikini trimmer, and then you have the epilator right here. And apart from this, you are also going to get a facial cap and skin contact cap. Like I mentioned in the beginning, the Braun epilator is 100% waterproof and comes with 2 years warranty. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And if you have any queries related to epilators, how to use them, what to do and what not, do not forget to leave them in the comments box. I would love to answer them for you. I think using an epilator is the best way to get hair-free, smoother skin without any messiness, without any hassle. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review and demo of Braun Epilator Silk Epil 9. And if you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.